Hey, what's up guys, it's Nazri back here with another video. So this video is about an app known as Resso. So this is typically a music based application that is been on a beta stage right now on Play Store. So first of all, when you open the application up, you get to see a dialog box that asking permission for you to play songs on Wi-Fi or cellular connection. So after you hit OK, you can just scroll it up like you do on TikTok, Snapchat or Instagram, the scrolling thing and all. So just swipe that up and you can get new songs. So and after that, if you want to select genres, you can just head over to the left hand corner as I've showed it in the screen, and you get all the songs according to your moods. And again, if you go swipe down to the right, you can get to see the playlist, the curate song which you want to see and which you want to play, or which you want to actually adjust or replace on the queue. So you can get all the details about that, and you can also add that particular song which you like the most as your playlist option, or you can make your own playlist option. And there is also one more thing that you can comment it, you can like that, and also you can add customized video background playback option where you can see your lyrics and that can match your background picture. For example, if you want to see the real lyrics of the song, you just need to tap on the lyrics that has been played on that particular screen, and you just fine and you can just listen to it, and you can also see the timings for that. So how you can also select that background, so just go to that previous screen on my video as I'm showing, select the appropriate video which you want to like, hit that OK button, and also comment down whatever you like. For example, I'm commenting down here YouTube, and just hit that export or arrow key or arrow button, and you are good. The video has been uploaded. It's not actually uploaded, the background picture has been uploaded at the back, and the lyrics which was previously playing on that particular profile will be replaced by your own favorite picture. So this application pretty much damn good application. I have never seen this type of application on the Play Store, and this is too much awesome. So for that, link will be there in the description below. Go ahead and download it.